morning, happy Thursday everybody. Welcome to another activity with the Mouse and Me book. Look, these are the crafts that we made during our Zoom class, and we are dancing with the jellyfish and the baby shark. Go get your activity book because we are about to do another fun activity. While we wait, we keep dancing. I wait for you guys. Go get your book and come back quickly. All right. So if you have your book, you open it here. Page number 32. Page number 32 in this sea animals activity that I'm about to show you. You will see it has also amazing pop outs. So this activity belongs to the unit 6, okay? So you are going to also find pop outs in the back of the book that belong to unit 6. It actually says unit 6, just like I'm going to show you next. You see? This is a pop out and it comes with these hand puppets and these lovely map. Is an island and it's the same as this activity, okay? But first we're doing this activity and Miss Joy is going to explain what we're doing now. The first thing that we do is naming the sea animals. So what's this? An octopus. Very good. And what's that here? A seahorse. And a crab. Can you say crab? Excellent. A fish. Oh my God, what's that? A shark. A sea turtle. Very good. So some of these animals can actually go on land and some of them can't, okay? Some of these animals can be on the water, in the ocean, and on the land, but some of them can't. Some of them can just stay inside the water, okay? So let's see which ones can go out. The shark, do you think so? The shark is a sea animal that can only stay inside the ocean, okay? And a fish. Also, because they have fins, they can't walk. And also, if they stay out of the water, they won't survive. And a seahorse is also a sea animal. So if you look at the picture, these animals are inside the water. But we have some animals that are on land, just like the crab right here. And also the sea turtle. She can go on the land and she can go in the water. What we're going to do, I'm just going to give you an example, okay? I'm not going to do it completely. We are going to look in the back of this page and follow the instructions. So instruction number 1, draw an island. An island is a piece of land just like this one that I'm showing you on the map. You see? It's a piece of land in the middle of the ocean. So we are going to do our best try and we are going to draw a piece of land like an island. It doesn't have to be perfect. Islands could have trees, so I could draw trees. Well, I'm going to draw a palm tree, okay? But you can do it better at the house. I'm just going to give you an example. An island can have a little house as well, okay? Because people actually live in the islands. So we can draw a little house And what else can we find? Sometimes we can also find volcanoes. And let's just imagine that this island has a volcano. Okay. And also on this island, some animals can live as well. So that's the second part of the activity. Draw your favorite sea animal in the sea. So here, inside the water part, not on the island, you're going to draw your favorite sea animal, an animal that can only be in the ocean, okay? Here, and obviously with the help of mommy and daddy. Draw your favorite sea animal. And the second part, draw your favorite land animal. So an animal that can go on land and also in the sea. So it could be a wild animal as well. It doesn't have to be an animal that goes in the water and stays in the water all the time. It could be another wild animal. Let's say land animals are actually many of them. So hippos can actually be, they can go in the water and out of the water, just like rhinos, just like elephants, just like crocodiles as well, but they're not going to stay inside. They're actually land animals. So you're going to draw that on your island, your favorite land animal. Okay? And your favorite sea animal out of the island on the water, in the water, okay? And you're going to talk about the picture with your mommy. And you're going to color it nicely. And at the end is the coolest part of all. Because if you go in the back part of this book, you will find the pop-outs. So this pop-out actually shows you the island. And it shows you an example of what a water animal is and what a land animal is. So let's see. I'm going to take out the edges of these pop-outs very carefully. These pop-outs come in the back part of the book. You will see it says Unit 6. You will find it under the Unit 6. You can take it out like this and you can paste it on your wall. Normally at the school we will do that. And these finger puppets or pop-outs as well, you can tear them out like this very carefully. They're pretty, cut it, but you need to be careful not to break them, okay? So as you will see, this paper has little spaces in the middle. So it has little places. You will feel it. If you touch it like this, you will feel there is something here and there. So there's like little open spaces in the middle where you can put your animals. So let's see. What kind of animal is this? Is this a sea animal or is this a land animal? Monkeys can go in the water and also they can go on the land, but they're actually land animals. They're not sea animals, okay? So this could be a very good example of what is a land animal. So where do we put it? Shall we put it in the water? No, we put it in the land. So we fill the little spaces. Miss Joy is going to show you in a second. And we put the monkey. Can you say, do the monkey? Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Do you see how cool is this activity? This is a very, very cool activity book. Okay, what do we do next? A fish. Is this a land and water animal or just a land animal? Where do you think it can go? It can actually live in boats, land and water, or it can go just inside the ocean. The fish is a water animal and is a sea animal. So it goes here. You see? It's a sea animal and it goes here in the water. Do you see how each one of our little animals are fitting in this map? Okay, what about the sea turtle? The sea turtle is one of my favorite sea animals, and this one can go actually both in water for a long time and travel long distance, and can go on the land as well. But on land, the sea turtle, it would be in danger because it's not moving very fast. Other animals can actually hunt it very easily, but inside the water, the sea turtle is like super fast. So fast. So actually she can go both in water and land. Let's see. So we can actually put her here, just like the fish, because she can, if she wants to, she can go ahead and jump on the land, and if she wants to, she can go out and back inside the sea. Okay, we are missing the eagle. Do you think this is a land and water animal? Do you think this is a sea animal as well? Look, it has feathers. It's a bird. This animal is actually just a land animal. It could hunt over the water. It could hunt little animals or little fish over the ocean, but it won't go inside the water. Okay, I think if it actually goes inside the ocean, the feathers will get really wet and then he can't fly out. He will be actually in a lot of trouble if he goes in the ocean. So let's put it here in the middle of the palm trees. He's normally on the top of the trees looking and hunting. He's looking for something good to eat. Can you say eagle? Can you say monkey? Can you say sea turtle? And can you say fish? Afterwards, this is also a good way to help you do your activity.